Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about food chain and flow of energy in the food chain and food web. As we know, all animals, whether these are herbivores or carnivores, directly or indirectly depends on plants for food. Organisms which feed on plants often get eaten by other organisms. For example, grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion. So grass is a producer, deer is herbivore and lion is carnivore. So this feeding relationship among organisms is called food chain. A series of organisms linked together by the process of eating and being eaten for food is known as food chain. This is a simple food chain. Let's take one more example. Grass is eaten by grasshopper and grasshopper is eaten by frog and frog is eaten by snake and snake is eaten by eagle. This form a food chain. So all the organisms get energy from food they eat. A food chain is a simple representation of flow of energy in nature. As we know, sun is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. Animals cannot utilize the energy radiated by the sun directly for their activities. Only the green plants can utilize the solar energy to prepare food during photosynthesis. So when animals eat the plants, this energy gets transferred to the animals, and when animals eat this animal, this energy gets transferred to that animal. When grasshopper eats grass, the energy of grass gets transferred to grasshopper. When frog eats this grasshopper, the energy of the grasshopper gets transferred to frog. And when snake eats this frog, the energy gets transferred to snake. And when eagle eats this snake, the energy gets transferred to eagle. So energy is always transferred from producer to primary consumer and then to secondary consumer. The food chain always started from producers. In nature we see number of food chains. All the food chains are interlinked. Several food chains of a region are interconnected to form food web. So a food web is complex feeding system. For example, grass and grain. Grass is a plant and grain is also plant product. So it is eaten by rabbit and rabbit is eaten by fox. Grass is also eaten by mouse and mouse is eaten by eagle. But mouse is also eaten by fox. Fox also eats the mouse. Grass and grain also eaten by squirrel and squirrel is also eaten by hawk. Grasshopper also eat grass and grasshopper is eaten by robin and robin is eaten by hawk. Grass is also again eaten by caterpillar and caterpillar is again eaten by robin. Deer is also depend on plants for their food and deer are eaten by tiger. So this is the food web. So if any one member is affected, the food web gets disturbed. For example, if all the lions disappear from the forest, the population of deer would increases. And there will not be a sufficient grass for all of them to eat. So both deer and grass in the forest are affected if all the lions disappear. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.